Today we will do word problems of exercise 4.5. Question number 5. Find the greatest number which divides 165, 245 and 325, leaving 5 as remainder. So here you have to find greatest number. That means you have to find HCF. But you have to leave 5 as remainder. So from the given numbers, subtract 5. Then you will subtract 165 minus 5. 160 will come. Subtract 245 minus 5. 240 will come. 325 minus 5, 320 will come. Now you have to find factors of the given numbers. Check the divisibility of 2. As you have 0 at one's place, that means this number is divisible by 2. Divide it by 2 in rough work column. 2 8s are 16. 0 will be left. Copy this 0. As it is not divisible, write it here. Now write 2 here and the question which you got, write it here. Again check the divisibility of 2. Here you have 0. That means this number is divisible by 2. Divide it in rough. 2 4s are 8. The 0, write it here. 40. Write 2 here. Now again you have 0. That means this number is divisible by 2. Divided by 2. When you will divide, 20 will come. Again you have 0 here. This number is divisible by 2. As at one's place you have 0 divided. When you will divide 20 by 2, 10 will come. Now again divide 10 by 2, 5 will come. As 5 is prime number now, so it is divisible by itself. Write it. Now you have 0 at one's place. This number is divisible by 2. Divided in rough. 240 by 2. 2 1s are 2. Copy this 4. 2 2s are 4. Copy this 0. It's not divisible. Write it here. Now this question, that is 120, write here and divisor write here. Now you have 0. This number is divisible by 2. Divided 120 by 2. 2 6 are 12. Copy this 0. It's not divisible. Write it here. 60. The quotient, write it here and divisor write here. Again you have 0. This number is divisible by 2. Write 2 here. When you will divide 60 by 2, 30 will come. Again 0 at one's place is here. That means this number is divisible by 2. Divided. When you will divide, 15 will come as quotient. Now you have 5. This number is not divisible by 2 because at one's place you have 5. Now check the divisibility of 3. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is divisible by 3. That means this number 15 is divisible by 3. Divided 3 5s are 15. Now 5 is prime number. It is divisible by itself. 5 1s are 5. Now you have 320. Divide 320 by 2. When you will divide, 160 will come. Now at one's place you have 0. That means this number is divisible by 2. Divided. When you will divide, 80 will come as quotient. Like this, divide again this 80 by 2. 40 will come. Again you have 0 at one's place. Divide this number by 2. 20 will come. You have 0 at one's place. This number is divisible by 2. When you will divide, 10 will come. Now again 0 is here. That means this number is divisible by 2. Divided, 5 will come as quotient. 5 is prime number. It is divisible by itself. Divided. Now all these factors, write it here. 160 equals to 2 multiply by 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 5. Now 240, write these factors. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Now these factors write here. 320 equals to 2 multiply by 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 5. Now you have to find common factors. See, 2 is common, write this 2. Here 2 is common, write this 2. Here 2 is common, write 2. Again 2 is common, write 2. Now you have 2 here, here 3, here 2, it's not common. 5 you have here, here also 5, here also 5, this 5 is common, write this 5 here. Now you have to find HCF. Multiply all these numbers. 80 will come. Now the final statement will be, hence the greatest number that divides 165, 245, 325, leaving 5 as remainder is 80. Copy this solution in your classwork copies.